Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making something super delicious from Cacao Bliss. And this is called a chocolate brownie shake. So I can't wait to make it. Let me tell you what is inside this chocolate brownie shake. So you're going to need frozen bananas, coffee, what else do you need? You need protein powder, either chocolate or vanilla. I'm going to use vanilla protein powder. And Cacao Bliss, you'll need some of that. And also some dark chocolate. So I have a really delicious dark chocolate that I like to eat. It doesn't have any sugar and it's very rich and dark, so it's healthy, good for you. It has antioxidants. And that paired with this Cacao Bliss is going to be really delicious for the smoothie. So I can't wait. It's one of my go-tos, something I like to have when I'm feeling for something chocolatey, but I'm trying to stay healthy and keep those weight loss goals going. But yeah, thanks so much to Cacao Bliss for sponsoring this video. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. Okay guys, I have everything ready here. This is what I have. So let me just put it here so you can see. I have some dark chocolate, I have a banana. It's not frozen, but it's super ripe and ready to go. And I got 2 cups of ice, so that's gonna give it that frothiness. Here's my Cacao Bliss right here. There is my coffee, it's instant coffee, and then this is my 1 scoop of protein powder. And this is a cute little Cacao Bliss recipe book that comes with some items that I got from them. That's the Cacao Bliss, my protein powder. So, for the water, I'm just gonna add water to fill it up to the point where it covers the ice. And I'm not using milk this time, and it's gonna be super delicious. So let's blend it up. So guys, definitely check out the description box for the full recipe. And one of the things that I really love about Cacao Bliss is that it's dairy-free, gluten-free, keto-friendly, soy-free. It's organic and 100% vegan. Another thing that I really love about this is that I know when I'm having this nice treat, it's guilt-free, it has that rich chocolatey taste that will curb my cravings, and I'm also getting a superfood blend that gives me natural energy, mental clarity, and also it has turmeric, so it's giving me that inflammation release that I need sometimes, especially if I'm doing some stretches or exercises that are a little bit like strenuous or kind of taxing on like my joints, my knees, or things like that. I find that it helps with the inflammation right away. Alright guys, it's all done, nice and smooth. One tip, if you're using a 10-speed blender, the longer you blend it, the creamier it will get. That's a good tip, especially if you're using ice instead of frozen fruit. Ice tends to take a little bit longer to get nice and smooth, so just blend it up a little bit longer and it'll get nice and creamy. Oh, this is so good. Alright, cheers guys. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you all are doing well. Take care and stay safe. Bye.